Hi everyone, my name's Stacy Lee. I'll be your professor this spring semester 2020 for chronic illness and disabilities online. I apologize ahead of time. My camera is not working today. Hopefully in future videos I will have it working. Also, I apologize for background noise as I have my grandchildren here today and they of course are making noise when I'm trying to make the video. When I'm not making videos, they're very quiet. Anyhow, I just wanted to upload a video like you all need to. I'm just saying, introducing myself and talking a little bit about myself. I've been a social worker for 20 plus years now. I graduated from Rutgers University, did my BSW and Advanced Standing program at Rutgers Camden, and I currently am a director of operations at a nonprofit senior program, all-inclusive medical day program for seniors. And we deal a lot with chronic illness and disease. And I have my 20-year career as a social worker. I've worked as a medical-based social worker, so in hospitals, in ambulatory care centers, for insurance companies, for Medicaid, things like that. So I have an extensive history in the medical area of social work and a lot of understanding of chronic illness and disease and how it affects people. For now, I guess that's it about me. I look forward to watching all of your videos. And again, I hope to have my camera fixed for the next video that we should post. Thanks so much, and I look forward to having a great semester.